Hi guys. Don't mute yourself, please. Kathleen. What? Where's Megan? Megan. We're missing Megan. And Megan, Brianna, and Philip, right? Okay, there's Megan outside. So we're just waiting for Brianna and Philip. All right, let's start. All right. All right, guys, page 361. What? Well, we have to start. All right, 361. It was what? All right. Page. I don't know what is she muted or not? Is she connected by? And her audio. She turned it off. Yep. All right. All right. So we're gonna go finish what we did yesterday, and we are on page 361. All right. And Caleb, you did. What number did you do? Was it 5? Wait, did we do all the? All right. So did we do 6 yet? All right. Let's do 3 and 4. Okay. So let's look at the 2 points. What 2 points did they give us for 3? -1 and 0, and then good, 0, -3. Good. Okay, now remember the formula? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right, which one do you want to label which? X1, y1, so then this is x2, y2. All right, so go ahead, Caleb, fill it in. What's your y2? -3 minus 0 over 0 minus -1. Good. So it's 3 over +1, which is 3. Okay? So for number 3, I'm sorry, -3, sorry. All right, so for number 3, the rise is -3, the run is 1, this m is -3. Okay? Got it? All right, Philip, you were late. You were late. Stop. Quiet. We are on page 361. Number 4. What are the 2 points, Megan? -5, 0. Good. You're right, 0, 5. Good. Okay, now which one do you want your x2, y, or x? Which point is your? No, -5 and 0, or x1, y1, right? And then this is x2, y2, okay? All right, so what's your y2? Minus 5 minus 0 over minus 1. Okay, so it's 5 over 5, right? So your rise is 5, your run is 5, and your slope is 1. Right? Got it? Good. All right, number 6. Give me the 2 points, Kathleen. -4, 3, good. And then 1, 3, good. All right, so Kathleen, pick your x2, pick your point. Which one do you want this one to be? Well, x2, y2. So this will be x1, y1. Okay. So y2 is what? 3 minus 3 over. Now, good. -4 minus 1. So 0 over -5. So no, don't forget, you can have a 0 in the numerator. You can't have 1 in the denominator. So your rise is what? 0. Your run is 5. 5. Why negative? Oh, it is -5. Wait, that's not right. What number is this? Hold on. No, 3 minus 3, -4 minus 1 is, no, 3 minus 3 is 0. -4 and a -1 is -5. But in the book, they're saying the run, the slope is 0. Okay. Oh, I see what happened. If the rise is 5, or the run is 5, okay? Put the run as 5. Let me see why they did that. Because it should be the answer is 0. Make sure we have these points right. We did -4, 3, and 1, 3. That's right. Okay, that's right. Okay. Let's turn to the next page. So there's 2 more, and then we're going to keep going because now we have to find the slope. Okay, so they want us to find the slope. Now, with this one, they're not giving us points. So we have, well, actually, does everyone see that? You have to pick the two points that you can find that are, that's 0, wait, no, 0, Caleb, it always has to be 2 points. So it's 0, -6, that's that one, good. Now what about the one all the way over there? That, what, hon? Negative, all the way, go ahead. We have that. It's negative, I think it's 9. I think it's -9. Because the 8, there's nothing above that if you go up. See it? So it's -9, 0. Guys, do you see that? the 8 on the line, there's nothing there. It's the one next to it. So that's the 9, right? Yeah, we'll try that. Okay. So now, you don't see it? Well, we don't have to use that point. We could always use a different point. Like we could use, where are we? Let's use, how about go over 2 and down 7? See that one? If you go over 2 and down, Caleb, go over 2 and down 7. Start at 0, 0. Go over 2, down 7. Do you see that? That the point is on the line? 2, negative 7. Do you see it? Are you on number 7? All right, guys, stop with the noise. Are you on number 7, Caleb? Okay. Now, do you see? We're looking for points on the line. So if I told you to plot 2, negative 7, would that be on the line? Go over 2. Well, this way. That way, if you go over 2, right? And then once you go over 2, 1, 2, okay? Then you go down 7. Now tell me, is that on that line? Yeah, right? Okay, so we're going to use, instead of that one, we're going to use 2, negative 7. All right, is everyone with me? Okay, now they want us to find the slope. So all we have to do now is do y2. Which one do you want to do, x and y? I mean x1, y1. All right, and then x2, y2. All right, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, so what's your y2? Philip, you need to pay attention. Y2 is so negative 7 minus, good, negative 6 over, let's do positive 2, good, 2 minus 0. Okay, so that becomes a plus now. So now that's a negative 1 over 2. So your slope is negative 1 over 2. And okay, all right, let's do the next one. Now, find 2 points on that line for number 8. All right, let's make sure everyone, hold on, let me make sure. All right, is everyone with us? Joanna, Mark, you're good? All right, let me clear this. Okay. So, what'd you say, Caleb? 0, negative 5, good. You can go over 2 and up 1, right? 2, 1, that's on the line, right? 2, 2, 1. Does everyone see what we're doing here? We're finding any 2 points on that line to find the slope. Now, so let's pick, what do you want x2 and x, okay, x1, y1, and then x2, y2, good. So now, keep writing this formula so you won't forget it. All right, so what's your y2, Caleb? What's your y1? Negative 5. And then over, what's your x2? 2 minus 0. So that's going to be 6 over 2, which is, so what's 6 over 2? 3. So your slope is 3. Good. 3 over 1. Very good. Okay. Now, let's graph. We're going to do 9 through 12 together, and as much as we can do together, and then you won't have a lot of homework. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, so now they're giving us, for number 9, they're giving us the points, -3, 0, and -2, -5. So let's plot it first, okay? -3, 0 is right here, right? And then -2, -5 is here. So you're going to graph the line, okay? Now you have to find the slope. So which point do you want to be point 1? Pick a point 1 and a point 2. Do you want the top? All right, so this will be x1, y1, and this will be x2, y2. So go ahead. What's my y2? -5 minus, what's my y1? 0 over, what's my x2? -2, and then minus, what's my x1? -3. Good. So it's -5 over, this becomes positive. 2 minus 3 is 1. So what's my slope? -5. -5. Good. All right, number 10. So we have -1, 6. Okay, good. So we're going to do, so -1, +6, which would be here, right? And then 1, 4, which would be here. And then you connect those. Now find the slope. So which one you want to be your first point? Let's just do the first one. Let's do x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What's my y2? 4 minus, what's my y1? 6. 4 minus 6 over 1 minus what? -1. Good. So 4, -2 over 2. That's a big difference. 4 minus 6 is 4 plus a -6 is -2. So it's going to be -1. Right? What? What don't you think? What? Because what's 4 minus 6? It's 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. No, they can't both be 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. You have 4 plus a -6. Remember my rules? If one's negative, one's positive, that's negative. You subtract and use the sign of the bigger number, -2. Well, we can review negative and positive. Okay, let's do, we have time. Let's do 11. Okay, so we have 0, -5. Are you guys drawing these in your book? Because me doing it here means that you're supposed to be doing it on your own book with the points, the line, and the slope. 0, -5, and 4, 4. All right, we'll do x1, y1, and x2, y2. Okay, so let's graph it. 0, -5. Okay, and 4, 4. Is that it? 4, 4. Okay, graph it. Now, someone find me the slope. What'd you get? Very good. 9/4. Okay, let's do 12. Hold on. Hold on. So we're going to do -1, 0, and negative 3, 0. Okay, negative 1, 0. Negative 3, 0. Okay, Caleb, which one you want 1 and which one you want 2? Okay, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what's y2? 0 minus, and then y1 is 0, and then negative 3 minus a negative 1. So it's 0 over, that's 1, good, so that's negative 2. So my slope is 0. Yeah, 0 on the top is always 0, okay? Mark, when can I not have a 0? Like, what would happen if I had a 0 on the bottom? What happened? Like, say I had this right here, you can't do, so that would be undefined. You can't have a 0 in the bottom, but you can have it in the new, this would just be 0. So that's why the answer to 12 is 0. The slope is 0. Okay, whenever you have a 0 in the numerator, it's the answer 0. Okay, all right, turn to 363. And let's do, okay, 16. Now, remember, you're going to tell me if it's positive, negative, or 0. So, whenever we have a slope that's going up towards the right, that is going to be positive. That down is negative. And then horizontal is 0. Okay? So look at 16. Which way is it going? That way? So 16 is positive. Good. Look at 17. It's going this way. So 17 is what? Very good. Negative. All right. So what about 18? 18 is also that way. No. Negative. Right. All right. Caleb, stop. 19 is what? 0. Good. 20. 20 is positive. 21. Negative. Very good. Okay. I'm just, no. Turn the page. Turn the page. All right. So now, this is something new. All right. So when we do 22 and 23, I need you to look up here. Pay attention. Stop making all the noise, whatever you guys are doing. Okay. So we have the 22. They're giving us the point 4, 2. Now they're telling us to graph this, correct? 2, 3. So now watch. This is what we have to learn. This is something new. We're on page 3. I'm sorry, I told you to turn the page up because that's how mine was. But on 363, Caleb, on the bottom, number 22. See it? So they're giving us the point and they're giving us the slope. Does everyone see that? Yes? Okay. First thing we're going to do, plot that point, 4, 2. Everyone plot that point on your book right now, 4, 2. So you're going to go over 4, up 2. Okay? Now, stop doing that. I don't want anyone touching this board except for me. So here's 4, 2. Okay? Now, since your slope is 2 over 3, now what did I say about the slope? It's rise over run, right? So rise means up and down, up or down, because if this was negative, stop. If this was a negative number, you'd have to go down, right? So it's positive. So from this, it's rise, up or down. So because we're going, let's look, rise over run. So we're going to go up 2 from this point that we just plotted. Go up 2, 1, 2, and then what's my run? Come on, what's my run on the bottom? 3. So go up 2 and over 3. Okay? So it's always from the point that you plot. Okay? So that's what this is what 22 should look like. Or just finish the whole thing like that, okay? Does everyone, Caleb, stop? Is that you? Stop. All right, do we have that? Can we do the next one? Okay. Okay, so hold on, Caleb. So negative 1, 1, and then and then negative 4 is your slope. Now, whenever you have just a number, listen. Whenever you have just a number like that, put a 1 under it, because we have to do both parts, rise over run. Now, Philip, where am I going to plot negative 1, 1? Where? Where? Yeah, where's negative 1? What? What? Go ahead, where? All right, negative 1 is which way? That way or that way? This way, right? Negative 1 and then up 1. That's your y. Okay, that's your point now. Now, from that point, we are now going to do the slope. So, Caleb, what did we say the rise meant? Up or down, right? Right? Now we're going to go up or down. So that's a what? Negative. So we're going to go down 4. 1. Include, like, you have to do the space. So you're going from 1 to 0. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went down 4, but where do we have to go over? 1. So we're going to be right there on the line. Okay? No, we're done. That's it. It is actually, yes, you're right. It is negative 3. Right, 1, 2, 3. But, no. Who's answering that? No, Philip, no. Pay attention. Stop laying down. I need you to pay attention to everything we say from now on. All right, watch. Look. You first plotted that point, negative 1, 1, right here. That was your negative 1, 1, right, Philip? Okay, now, from this point, you're now going to go down 4 because it's negative. Okay, it's not always 4, it's just in this case. So go down 4 and over 1. All right, and that's your other point, and you connect them. All right, exactly, right. So let's do another one. All right, turn the page. All right, so now all right, I'm going to have to mute all of you because I don't know who's making that noise. If you have pets, please take them out of the room. All right, so look, 0, 5, and negative 7, 6. All right, so, Joanna, where's 0, 5? Where am I putting 0, 5? Very good. 0 and up 5. Good. Now, my slope is negative 7, 6. So, do I go up 7 or down 7? Down 7, right. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to be here. I went down 7, but don't put a point there because you still have to do what? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Perfect. Okay? And that's it. Plot that. Brett, did you draw that line? Does everyone have that line? Okay. We have 10 more minutes, so let's keep going. Why did you mute yourself, Megan? What? Oh. All right. Let's do negative 3, negative 4, and it's 3. Now, what did I say when you have just one number? Very good. Put a 1 under it. All right. Now, where's Brianna? All right, Brianna, where's -3 and -4? I want to plot that first. Good. Go over -3, 1, 2, 3, and then. Oh no, not that yet, babe. We're doing the point. Good. Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. -3, -4. Now, Brianna, these are both positive. So now what do you do now? From this point. Well, first you do rise. First you do up or down. So up, how many? 1, 2, 3, and up. You're done with that. You're done with that. Over what? No. Look, we're looking at that. So you went up 3. 1, 2, 3. That 4, that was just for the point. That we already did that. That's there. So you went up 3. Now go over 1. Good. Very good. Yeah, once you're done, once you plot that point, you're done with it. Okay? Okay, now there's your line for that one. All right. Caleb, did you write that? Do you have that? You sure? Philip, do you have it? Okay. All right, so Mark, you do the next one. What is it? All right, so we have 3, -1, and -1/3. All right, so Mark, what do I do first? This is number 27. Over 3. What? Caleb, over 3. Down 1. Okay, good. Now that's the slope. So we just did that. We don't have to worry about it. I mean, that's the point. Sorry. We don't have to worry about that now. Now we need the slope, the -1/3. So what do I do? From this point, what do I do? Do I go up or down? Because this is up or down, and then the 3 is left or right. Well, it's a negative. Say, use the negative with the 1. So what am I going to do? And, okay. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So once you plot that point, then that's what you use to do your slope. Guys, look. This is going up or down the top. So you either go up or down if it's negative or positive. The bottom is right or left, depending on if it's negative or positive. Okay, let's do another one now. All right, so Megan, let's do 28. So we have 2, 6, and -1. Now, what do I say if there's not a number up? What do I do? Very good. Okay, now plot 2, 6. Where's 2, 6? Very good. Over and up. That's it. Yeah, over and up. Now, what do you want to do with this? Down 1. Good. Down 1 and over to the right 1. Good. And that's your line. All right, guys. I'm going to give you your homework now. You can start it. So, I want you to do on page 363, I want you to do 13 through 15. 13 through, guys, so do you all know how to upload? Yes, I need you, guys, I need you to upload this because I need to see what you're doing and if you're doing it the correct way. So, I'm going to write this on the board in a minute, but circle it in your books, 13 through 15. And then on page 364, I want you to do 29 and 30 through 33, okay, on that next page. All right, so that's 365, 30 through 33. Let me write it on board. And I want you to try to upload it so that I'll have it. 363, numbers 13 through 15. And then page 364 through 365 is 29 through 33. All right? Now listen, listen. I want you to look at that right now and tell me if you know how to do it all. If not, you have a minute, you have 4 minutes to ask me any questions. Go ahead. Look through it. What? What? I'm sorry, what's that? What? You have to be able to yes, you have to do it on paper because you don't need graph paper. You could do this like that and just do like I've been doing. But yes, you have to, Caleb, you have to do it on paper and I need it uploaded or you're not going to be counted for it. Tell me now if you don't know how to upload it. You can just, I did. Yep. All right, so everyone knows what they're doing, right? This is their homework. Yeah, if you're done, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, Caleb, do you know how to do it? Do you know how to upload it? All right, so make sure you do the work then. Where are you going? Your roof? Okay. All right, well, hang up. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Don't go in your room. I'm going to tell your mom. Stop. Oh.